But listen, okay?
What?
You know I don't have a lot of money right now, so
Let me see.
I can only get you what I could, okay? So I love you, okay? Happy birthday, okay?
Let me see. Let me see, Dana. Let me see.
Put it right here.
Right here. Hey, right here.
Here?
Let me see.
Turn around so you see.
Move, Daisy.
A puzzle game. I have this.
Okay. You have this one already? Are you sure?
Let me see. Let me see.
Oh.
I like that one. Oh. Let me see.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Can you turn so I can see?
That's cool. That's cool game. I got this one. Let me see.
No way.
No way.
You're lying.
I got those. I'm telling you true. Let me see. Got this one.
Son.
Then. And not this one.
Well,
Can you at least take a picture with all your
here,
games?
take a picture with all of them. Do you like them? We can exchange them. You don't like it, huh? Alright. Alright, whatever. Do me a favor today, son. Son, I need the spray underneath the thing right there, please, so I can do the floor.
What spray?
Sure, open it. It's your birthday, son.
Let me see. Can I? What?
Move.
Stop.
What is it?
Can I stop it now?